Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Bosch Dishwasher E61 error code. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering what is the cause for this one and how do you fix it. So first, let's go discuss what does the E61 error code actually mean. So this error means that there's an issue with the door lock system. So basically, the dishwasher isn't recognizing that the door is securely shut. So it won't run properly. So this can happen because first is a faulty control board, and also some wiring issues and a sensor problem, or simply the door isn't locked properly. So how do you exactly fix this? So first is you want to check your door lock. Now, first unplug the dishwasher safely first, so we need to be safe here, and you want to find the door lock here. Now, from then on, it's going to be near the hinge, so in this case, in this section here, or in this section here. So yeah, so see if it's loose and if it is secured properly. Now, if it's damaged, you need to replace it. And also, you might need to inspect your control board. Again, you want to make sure the dishwasher is unplugged to avoid any accidents here, and also remove the top panel to access the control panel or control board here. Now, look at any visible damage like burn marks, broken parts, or even shattered frames. So yeah, use a multimeter to check if it's working properly. If it's faulty, again, you might need to replace it. And finally, the last thing that you do here is you want to check the wiring. So you want to unplug the dishwasher, which is obviously the first step here to be safe. And you want to take off the top and back panels to see the wiring. So in this case, it's going to be this section and the top section here. Now, you want to go ahead and use a multimeter to check for any breaks or faulty connections. And if you do find any damaged wires, you can replace them or call a professional. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.